Hello everyone, this is Jiu. Today let me introduce you our Jiu model. As you can see, this is a big teardrop model. This trailer is a middle-sized trailer. Its length is 3.5 meters. And the trailer with a bathroom, with a kitchen and a bedroom. And you can add your own optionals. Like this is a spare tire and a tow box and a brake. If you need others, please feel free to let us know. This is the outside kitchen. You can open it like this. For this trailer, we installed a single sink, one gas stove. The standard is an electric cooker, but you can let us replace it with a gas stove. This is the gas rack. You can put your gas cylinders here. And this is our 15 inches tires. Okay, now let's take a look inside. This is the inside of this trailer, and as you can see, this is a queen size bed. And this bed can also turn into a sofa area. This table, you can lift it up and lift it down. Now the bed becomes a sofa, and this is our view window. You can have some lights through this window, and you can also see the sky through this window. For this area, you can play games or cards with your friends. This wall is our canvas. You can storage your things. This trailer equipped with an inside bathroom.